Welcome to Keyframe Animation School. Behind every film, video game, or TV series, there's a team of artists bringing the magic to life, and you can be one of them. At Keyframe Animation School, we're dedicated to training the next generation of talent under the guidance of seasoned industry professionals. Let's dive in. Live video sessions. Once a week, join your instructor and classmates from around the globe for a real-time critique session. Watch your mentor take control of the rig inside the software, explaining every thought process and technique as it happens. Can't make it live? We record and upload every session, plus a midweek one-on-one video review, so you can download and revisit the feedback whenever you like. Small class sizes means you'll always get the personal attention you deserve. Tutorial videos. Binge watch to your heart's content. Every lesson is broken into bite-sized sections so you can jump straight to the topic you need anytime you need it. Campus. Stay in the loop with industry and school news. Check out projects from students in other levels and learn from the feedback they receive. On days without live classes, your instructor still reviews submissions right here, so you're never left hanging. Just upload your progress and we'll take it from there. Webinars. Meet world-class animators face-to-face in exclusive live talks. Hear firsthand how they overcame obstacles, landed dream jobs, and crafted iconic shots for blockbuster films. It's inspiration and insider knowledge rolled into one. Syllabus. Think of this as your week-by-week roadmap. You'll know exactly what's coming up, due dates, exercise types, which character rigs you'll animate, and how long each shot should be. No surprises, just a clear path to success. Our students. Since 2014, our training has opened doors to top studios worldwide. Disney Animation Studios, Sony Imageworks, Double Negative, Digital Domain, and many more. Your success is our reputation. We are an art school built by artists for artists who dream big. We're excited to welcome you to the Keyframe campus soon. See you in class.